Please make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Once subscribed, make sure you click on the bell icon to receive the updates and notifications of any new videos posted on the channel. It was one of the most anticipated mid-range phones in India ever since it was introduced by HMD Global at World Mobile Congress 2018, and we are here to unbox it. Hi, my name is Hiren Mehta and you're watching Tech Encoder, and today we shall be unboxing the Nokia 7 Plus. HMD Global is offering the Nokia 7 Plus device through Amazon in India. The phone comes in two colors, white and copper and a black and copper. Although I did not see white and copper being offered in India, this is a black and copper which we got from Amazon and would be unboxing today. The back of the box suggests that the phone comes out of the box with Android Oreo. There are certain specifications about the phone written in here. But let's just unbox the phone and see what is there inside. Well, that's the device itself. We'll keep it aside and see what else is there in the box first. That's a SIM ejector tool. It looks like a silicone cover. Yeah, it's a silicone back case for the phone. It's a good touch that the manufacturers are bundling in along with the device. That's the Nokia care and warranty literature. That's the power adapter to charge the phone. These are the earphones provided along with the phone, extra ear tips, and the USB Type-C charger cable to charge the phone along with the adapter. I have unpacked the device from its plastic pack, and here is the device itself. Nokia 7 Plus is the first device in India which features the Qualcomm 660 chipset. It features a 6-inch Full HD Plus display with 18:9 screen aspect ratio. The front side of the device has a 16MP shoot camera with the Nokia branding to its right. The back of the phone features a ceramic black coating which gives a smooth matte finish, which not only looks good but it doesn't pick up too many smudges or fingerprints. Nokia 7 Plus comes with a Zeiss optic dual rear camera setup, where one is a regular camera while other features a telephoto lens. The rear cameras sport a 12MP sensor while the other features a 13MP sensor. Unlike Nokia 8 Sirocco, the primary camera on the 7 Plus doesn't have the optical image stabilizer. You also need to know that the lens on the rear protrudes a little. Under the camera you shall see the fingerprint scanner to unlock the phone, and just below it you will see the copper color Nokia branding in the center. The Android One logo is just below it. The phone comes with a 3800 mAh battery which can last you over a day and a half. On the top of the phone you will find the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is always good to have. The copper accents which run around the phone does make the phone look stylish. The right side of the phone has the volume rockers and the power button. The left side of the phone has a SIM tray. Nokia 7 Plus is a dual SIM device with a hybrid solution where you can use either 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM with 1 micro SD card. The bottom of the phone has the primary microphone, a single speaker, antenna bands and the USB Type-C port. The only thing we now need to do is to boot the phone and set it up. While I set up the phone, here is a quick overview about the phone's specifications. Nokia 7 Plus comes with a 6-inch IPS LCD Full HD screen with an 18:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset. It comes with an octa-core processor based on Cairo 260 cores. It comes with Adreno 512 GPU, bundled with 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 256 GB with microSD card. It has dual rear-facing cameras, 12 megapixel and 13 megapixel cameras. The front-facing camera is a 16MP shooter. It has NFC and Bluetooth 5.0. It comes with a 3800 mAh battery. Nokia 7 Plus is sold online by Amazon in India for Rs 25,999. Alright, I have now finished setting up the phone. Although as soon as I booted the phone and initiated the setup, the phone checked for a system update and found one of around 590 MB. That too has now been installed on this phone. So this is what it is. The screen of the Nokia 7 Plus, being an IPS LCD display, looks very vibrant and sharp. The color reproduction of the screen seems accurate, and it can be viewed from extreme angles as well. Although I still have to check how it performs under sunlight, as we currently are under the artificial light in my office. The screen seems to be relatively large, so it would not be possible for everyone to use this phone using one hand. You probably will have to stretch your fingers to reach the corners. The fingerprint scanner of the phone works nicely. I've set it up and it works nicely as it's quite responsive and unlocks the phone in a jiffy. The phone falls under the Android One program, so I do not see any bloatware which is installed on the phone, which gives you a good fuss-free interface, and it actually feels pretty fast on initial setup. Well, let's see what else is there under the hood. Let's go under the toggles and the settings. The box said that it comes with Android Oreo, and after the update, it's currently running on the Android 8.1.0, which is the latest version of the Android Oreo, and it also is pre-installed with the 1st April 2018 security patch level. So now let's go and see at the storage. Right. Out of the box, it's a 64 GB phone. So out of the box, when you boot up the phone, you will see that 13.73 GB of the space is already utilized, which allows you with almost 51 GB of usable internal storage. You can always extend this by adding an external micro SD card. Remember, this phone supports up to 256 GB of micro SD. Let's talk about the camera on this phone. Nokia has stressed over the camera and promoted it as one of the major USPs of this phone. It comes with a dual lens setup and a dual tone LED flash. Let's open up the camera app and see what it is like. The interface of the app looks exactly the same as the Nokia Edge Sirocco. It comes with a 2x zoom button, which when clicked uses the 2x on the telephoto lens. The phone comes preloaded with these modes, which are the panorama and the pro mode, where you can manually make the changes like the ISO. To record video on this phone, you just need to slide over the screen and it just goes into the video mode. You can record up to 4K resolution from the rear camera of this phone, while up to 1080p from the front camera. The phone comes with 3 microphones, so recording the video should be a lot of fun. Here are some of the sample shots which I captured from the phone within my office and outside in natural light. Well, that was the unboxing of the Nokia 7 Plus. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up in case you liked this video. Do subscribe to our channel in case you haven't done so already. Do share your thoughts in the comments section, or you can post your queries on my Twitter ID, which is TechEncoder. I will try my best to answer them all. Well, that's all for today. Hope to see you guys very soon. Till the next video, take care.